And we're back to learning Photoshop in a year, day 204. Let me show you the sponge filter. I press Ctrl J to copy the original, then I go to Filter, Filter Gallery. I zoom out holding Alt, and then I use the mouse wheel. Under Artistic you will find the sponge. But you can also use the drop down here where it's alphabetically sorted. We have 3 ways to adjust it. The brush size makes these spots bigger or smaller. Then the definition is basically the intensity. So you can intensify all of these color spots. And then the smoothness, it kind of washes them out. If you go up, if you go down, it makes the edges a little bit harsher. Don't forget to confirm we are OK. And this is how you can use the sponge filter in Photoshop. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.